How to change your email on Ubisoft. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our email on Ubisoft, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to change your email on Ubisoft, all you have to do is go to ubisoft.com and then you're going to see this type of interface. Tap the profile icon from the top right, log into your account and scroll down and select the option called account management here. Once you go to account management, you're going to be taken to this page, which is account.ubisoft.com, where you have to simply go to account information from the very top. Then over here under private information, just tap the edit button. Then again under email address, you'll find the change button in the blue text, so tap on the change option here. Then as you tap on the change option here, all you have to do is it will send a link to change the email address to the existing email, so just make sure to verify that and you'll be able to change your email. That's all it takes to change your email on Ubisoft. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.